I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. So I set up a little light and gonna show you guys how I just do a quick little makeup sesh. But when I'm super pale like this, I use Joe Blasco foundation, and my color is Olive Beige 3. I've always liked a cream-based foundation more than liquid, and then I use this old MAC 180 Kabuki brush. The key to a good base is always your moisturizer and your serums. I like having good serums that don't pill. It's like the worst. I don't like powder my whole skin because I still have like the contour and everything. I just like to lightly do it, and then I go back and really do it. So I am going to use Conceal Bake Brighten, and my color that I love is number 7. So much gets on that wand that it's like perfection. I need to kind of bring the concealer down into my lash lines a little bit. Because I really feel like if you add concealer here, it really kind of helps soften those lines. I don't really like to spend a whole lot of time blending, honestly. I know it's the key to like a flawless makeup, but I just don't have the time. Is it PE time? So what are you doing? Are you doing the yoga today? Pokemon yoga?
Baby Sonic one, or a Pokemon one, or the Elsa one.
Okay. So next I'm gonna bake with the KKW Beauty number 2 bake. And even though this is a little wet on the sponge, like it doesn't bother me that it's a little wet. I'm gonna keep that on for a second. You know what makes me feel good? I'm using, and it broke the little spoolie. So I have a little MAC spoolie. It's like my travel kit right here in this guest room. My eyebrows are a mess. What, sweetie? Okay, Northy.
Can I wash my hands?
Can you do it in the other room? I'm in the middle of something. I don't want to get this all wet, sweetie. I'm hiding in the guest room, you guys. I'm hiding in the guest room because my kids will not leave me alone. Lauren, can I please just do my little tutorial? It's all I want to do is one little fun thing for myself. Okay. I'm going to use our contour stick, the KKW Beauty Contour Stick in medium. extra shimmer, which I'll use like the lighter pink one, just to kind of add a little bit. Now I'm gonna show you guys something so cute that's not out yet. But I love minis, and so I'm making some minis. A little tiny mini KKW Beauty Mascara. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I don't know if I've said this before. My dad used to always walk by me. Because I lived, in his house, and my bathroom door would be open while I was putting my makeup on. And he would always say, I bet you can close your mouth when you put on your mascara. But for some reason with this mini I can't. And lips. Oh, you know what? I do like to kind of repowder just a little bit. So I just will powder there, a little bit under. I do love a good setting spray. I love Tasha. Tasha gives you like more of a glow. Like we're doing. Okay, now my favorite lip combo is Nude 1.5. You guys notice when I can always tell who does my makeup by the shape of my lips. Mary gives this beautiful pout. Ariel gives this like lip lifting thing where he fills in the cupid's bow right here. Then Maureen likes my lips smaller, like regular. But every night I have at least 2 kids with me, either both girls. Salma's in a crib. But I'll either have Shy and Nora or Saint and Nora. They're just me and Saint. Oh, we all are quarantined. Okay, so I'll use Nude 1.5. Which lip combo will I do today? Do I want matte? Which one would be 90s icon maybe? Matte lipsticks. Last step, very important step, is brightening. I love to brighten up under my eyes just a little bit. I think I'll use Brighten 2. I usually use Brighten 1, but because I feel like I did such a good job blending, which is kind of rare, I don't think I need as white, but this sets it all and brightens it. This is the key to what this is like. Alright, so that was a quick KKW Beauty, mostly using KKW Beauty products, glam, in my guest room, quarantine glam, just to go to the kitchen to get harassed by my kids and on how to do their homework. I at least feel honestly good about myself that I haven't stayed in my pajamas all day and that I actually got up and got dressed and put on some normal clothes and put on some makeup. It really does make you feel good about yourself every once in a while. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed